Ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name MC Comedian Afono, aka the BP Tablet. So, by my right hand here is this guy that pranked his friend Ikechukwu. You understand? He's a very good friend of mine. So this guy also here is Ebo Saint. He have been in my video several times. You guys must have seen him. So today there is this girl that I ordered from iMessage app, a dating app, for hookup. So we agreed on 20,000 naira, which is here. So the girl now is on her way coming. So I want to prank her with these guys, pretending to be native doctor that will be using her for ritual to see her reaction, So you guys should stay tuned and watch out. Thank you.
I don't tell you. Maybe it's the low cast. Maybe it's the low cast. Who is there? Oh. Sorry. Trevor, right?
Yeah.
Wow. How are you? How is it? Favor. How is everything?
It's fine.
You can't find for here, pass for picture.
Thank you.
Let's click on the show.
It's good. Thank you.
Or more. Wow. That's good. So what would I get for you?
Soft drink.
You need soft drink.
Yes.
I mean, I will go to the bar now to get drink for you.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
But you give it in happen. I need to take my bait first because I'm feeling hot.
Okay, you need to flush it.
Mm.
Okay. That'll
So,
be good.
yeah. So you have to wait for me a little. Yeah?
Okay.
Give me some little time. I'm coming.
Okay.
Baba, the sacrifice is ready.
What do you want to do this to me? Jesus.
Get quiet!
Don't say the sacrifice.
Yes, we are ready for the sacrifice.
Please don't kill me! Please don't kill me!
Keep quiet!
Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Don't kill me!
Yes. Yes, the time is now.
It's okay.
Remove all this.
It's a prank. Camera, come close. It's a prank. Camera, come close. I beg. It's okay. I beg. But I beat up. It's okay. Calm down. Relax. Calm down. Come close now.
Relax.
Last time, come down. No be real native doctor. No be real native doctor. No be real native doctor. Wait. Don't do that.
Calm down now. What can you get me?
See, I don't want to keep it. Relax. Come on, relax. It's okay. Guys, don't come on that way you now. Wait till that problem. Man. Relax. Wait, calm down. So why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why are you into hook up? Tell me. Why are you into hook up? What? Tell me. Why are you into hook up?
I've been suffering.
You have been suffering.
I don't have anybody to take care of me.
Why are you doing hook up? Is it the best option for you? Is it the best? What if now that this is real now and we take it for sacrifice now or do ritual with you now? What will you tell your parents? What will you tell yourself that you get you into this?
Oh my God.
Yeah? Okay, relax. Wait now, calm down.
Relax.
It's prank.
I beg, just calm down. It's prank. Relax. I don't want to make people come here, please. Calm down. I beg. Relax. Yeah? Relax now. Calm down. Wait. Look at me now. Look at me. Look at me. Look. See the camera here. Okay, see. This is the money. The money I told you I would give to you. Yeah? Release your voice.
I will repent. I don't need the money. I will repent.
Release your voice, please.
I won't do it again. I won't do it again.
Calm down. There are better things that you engage in, that you start doing, like trading. There are other things. You can be a hairstylist. You can do some other jobs than to be doing hookup. So I don't know. Well, I know this will serve as a better option, better example to the society, to the world out there. Hookup is not the best option, man. You're a beautiful girl. What if you tell person say they come here, you don't tell anybody say they come here, see. So what if something can happen to you now? They can't use you doing ritual now. Nobody go know where you go. Yeah? Why would you be doing such a thing? Okay, take this money. Take it. This is 20,000. I know it's not much, but just take it and enter bike and go back. Yeah? Take for your transport. Take it down. Don't worry. It's okay. Share this video. Please now. Share them. Like and comment. Egwanya.